Hello guys, have you ever tried to install or use CapCut and found that you can't access all its features because of regional restrictions? It's really frustrating when the tools you need are just out of reach because of where you are located. In an ideal video editing environment, you would be able to use CapCut to its full potential, no matter where you are, with fast speeds and full access to every feature that app offers. Using the fastest trustworthy VPN can unlock CapCut's full range of features and give you a smooth editing experience from anywhere in the world. Hi, I am Ashish Kapoor and today I am going to share with you the best VPN providers for using CapCut so you never have to worry about regional blocks again. So let's dive in. Meanwhile, do not forget to mention your favorite feature of CapCut in the comments down below. So before we talk about the VPN, I will talk about an important feature of VPN called split tunneling. There are many benefits of using this feature. You can not only save your bandwidth but also choose only specific applications to use the VPN. So using split tunneling, you can choose only CapCut to use the VPN and other applications will bypass the VPN. So guys, first up is Surfshark. What I love about Surfshark the most is its unlimited device connections, meaning you can use it on your phone, tablet and computer all at once. Plus, with its fast servers and no bandwidth limits, your CapCut experience remains smooth and lag-free. I have kept this on the top of this list because this is my personal favorite and I have been using it for more than 3 years now. Surfshark has proven itself to be the fastest among all the VPNs out there in the market. Compared to other VPN providers, the entry-level basic VPN plan is more affordable. It starts from just $2.19 per month on a 24 months billing and you get 3 months free extra. This is $59 one time for a 27 month subscription. The entry plan does not get you access to 24/7 antivirus protection, webcam protection, antivirus, anti-spyware and malware protection, real-time email breach alerts, real-time credit card and ID breach alerts, and personal data security reports. Also private search tool. However, you can get all these features with the Surfshark One plan for extra 40 cents per month. It will become $2.59 per month and a total one-time cost of $72.63. So guys, NordVPN is another excellent choice, known for its vast VPN network and high-speed connections. Whether you are editing in HD or uploading large files, NordVPN ensures you have a secure and fast connection no matter where you are. NordVPN is easy to use and compatible with any operating system you use. Whether you need a trending sound effect from Japan or a filter only available in Europe, or maybe the AutoCut feature that's only available in some limited locations, NordVPN can help you break down those barriers and supercharge your CapCut creativity. So guys, when paid for 2 years, you get the basic VPN for $3.09 per month. What you do not get access to is anti-malware protection, advanced browsing protection, and tracking blocker. The Plus plan will get you all these for just $3.99 per month, and I recommend you to spend that extra dollar per month to get these essential features in your VPN subscription. You can get up to 73% off and 3 months free usage with my special link in the description and the first comment on this video. So do not forget to check out. Guys, it will be a total injustice if we do not talk about a free VPN for using CapCut. TurboVPN offers you 7 free VPN server locations, which is more than enough for editing your videos on CapCut. I would recommend this for beginners who are learning how to edit videos or do good video editing without buying a video editing software and a VPN. Some of my video editors started using CapCut with TurboVPN only So this works without any troubles and can be trusted for sure. Unlike other VPNs that offer unlimited devices, Turbo VPN will only allow you to connect a maximum of 5 devices simultaneously. They use the 256-bit AES encryption to keep your entire connection safe from the attackers. However, if you choose to upgrade, the 27 months plan will cost you $3.33 per month. You pay $89.99 one time, and this will renew at the same price after 27 months. So, this is a steal deal on a premium VPN plan. You can also make the payment using cryptocurrencies. So guys, next, ExpressVPN is perfect for those who prioritize speed and reliability. It's one of the fastest VPNs out there, ensuring that your CapCut sessions are uninterrupted even when editing large video files. You can use the VPN on up to 8 devices. There is a 30 days money back guarantee, so your purchase is always protected. The 12 months plan is $8.33 per month. With my special link in the description, you can get this for just $6.67 per month. So guys, next up is PureVPN. PureVPN offers a variety of modes, including one specifically optimized for streaming and file sharing, which is perfect for CapCut. It also prioritizes strong security features so your data remains private while you work on your videos. You can use PureVPN on maximum of 10 devices at the same time. PureVPN has split tunneling feature, so you can use CapCut without any stress of CAPTCHAs while you browse the web using other applications. Also, PureVPN never logs your data, so everything you do online always remain private. The 5-year plan is the main attraction, which keeps you away from the stress of billing cycles for 5 good years. At the same time, the 5-year plan reduces the cost of the standard plan of this VPN to just $2.16 per month, costing $129.95 one time. This standard plan does not get you access to secured password manager and file encryption tool. However, you can get access to these extra features for an extra 50 cents per month. This plus plan is $2.66 per month. So guys, these were the best VPN providers for using CapCut. Whether you're looking for speed, security or affordability, these options have got you covered. Let me know which VPN you would prefer, and if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech videos like this. I will see you in the next video. Till then, have a great day.